Hello my guys, Bullet here. Let me show you what I did this time. Yesterday I was working on the Honda Core. I new headers again. This is gonna be my third one, and the reason why is because of this. Being too low, this is my second one that I busted. You can see that hole on the flex pipe. It's scraping too much, as you can tell. So I don't remember where I get this one from. I think eBay, but this is a better quality than the one that I get this time. I just wanted to keep your hands up. Don't get cheap parts. Cheap is never good. So I get this one from eBay. DNA, not really good. Because to line them up is really hard. I have to remove the bracket on the bottom just to line them up, because on those headers this little hanger is just different. It doesn't line up very well, and it was really hard. I struggled to put it on, but I had to remove the bracket, put the bracket with the bushing in, and then get it tied on the frame. Really hard to do. I spent like an hour doing it, but I line them up. And because of this one, like I said, is cheaper, I have to get an extension for my O2 sensor because the cable was really tight when I put my oxygen sensor. So I had to get an extension. And headers, they're okay. They're not too bad, but I really don't worry about this car. I've been having this car for over 10 years, and it's on his way out. But it was really loud. You guys know 4 cylinders, they sound really ugly. So I had to put that because it was annoying. Way too annoying. Now it's quiet. It's better. My recommendation, don't get this type of headers. Really hard to line up. You have 2 bolts only to put the flex pipe with the headers. So on the other one that I used to have is a lot better, because on this one you have 3 bolts, line them up perfectly, and on that one you just slide the header into the downpipe. So not really good. So don't get cheap headers. I knew what I was getting myself into, because the first time I put this type of header, and when I removed the stock one, I put this type, then I blow the flex pipe, then I moved into this one. It was a lot better, but then I went cheap because I don't want to spend a lot of money on a car that probably is not gonna last more than a couple more years. So I went cheap. Another thing that I didn't do that I was gonna do yesterday is fixing that broken stud. I was gonna do it, but then I realized that I have to remove the alternator to put my drill and drill bit and just be able to extract that broken stud, which I didn't do, but it doesn't bother me. Next time probably I'm gonna have to remove everything, get the alternator out of the way so I can drill it out. But other than that, if you have a car like mine, I think I have an episode where I did the installation on new headers. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna look for it in case you wanna know how to do it. I think I have it. Don't quote me on that, but if I have it, it's gonna be right there. Other than that, I just wanna make this episode to let you know that if you buy something like this, like DNA headers, you're gonna have struggles to try to get everything lined up. Couple hours, but if you go this route in couple hours, you should do it, but it's gonna give you a hard time. So I'll leave it with that, guys. I hope you like this little episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.